Oh, that was better. Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I'm going to tell you about your back pain and if it starts to flare up whenever you get back to training. Don't mistake a bit of normal training tightness for your problem still being there. Be careful, work with it. So if you get back to training and you start adding weights up again and training a bit harder, your muscles are going to start tightening up again. Just because you've had a previous, say, injury, you may be a little bit sensitive. And I don't mean that you need a hug, I just mean that you need to be a bit better with your daily stretching and the stuff that you do. So if you get back to training, having a great time, wake up, oh no, my back pain's coming back, still stretch, still move. You may just find, just from your muscles being tight, your back is just starting to have a bit of a freak out, and it's completely normal. So, anything else on this subject? Buy the simplistic mobility method and you'll know how to do it better. There we go, sales pitch. Buy Moose Juice. Moose Juice is awesome. Sales pitch. What else we got? Buy this barbell. That's pretty good. Buy my book. I don't know. Any requests? Throw them in.